Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar, a collab here with Sokar. I believe that is how you say his name. Maybe not, I'm not sure, but anyway, Saint Levant. We had him before here on this channel, and this song here, Do You Love Me, differs a little bit from the other songs, at least from what I've heard. And yes, this song is more about love and more like red, pink-ish song, and that's the reason why I'm playing on this guitar. Okay guys, this is a guitar from Anchor Guitar. Look at this finish here, very beautiful. This is the guitar called Eagle, and you can get this one very affordable, just from retail price, but you can also use my coupon code GoringGuitar10 and get 10% off. Great deal. Anyway, now let's go into this tutorial. 3 chords, let's bring in some Arabic influences here, and we're gonna use a capo on 4th fret to match up with the sound. So 3 chords, E minor, C, and D. Let's take a look at it. E minor first, it goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. Next chord C will be 3rd fret A, 2nd fret D, open G, 1st fret B, and open E. And then the final D chord goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And that is the chord progression throughout the song here. Now let's learn the strumming pattern and how to handle it. So grab the E minor and you're gonna play one of these. Okay, so you're gonna play first one down, short pause, and then comes up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, down. Okay, I played 4 rounds for you on E minor, and that's what you're going to do as well. And then you're going to continue with C, 2 string rounds, and then D, 2 string rounds. And that combination just rolls throughout the song. So E minor 4, C2, D2, like this. Again, so E minor, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, D, 2, and stop. Even if it's hard, I have to stop sometime. And this is how you play the song called Do You Love Me? A question there. And if you love me here on Going Guitar, then show me some love. Give me a thumb up, please. No, I don't have to beg for it, but yeah, if you like it and appreciate it, then support me here and be back for next upload. Till then, play tuned.